AI is changing the world faster than any technology in history. But with every breakthrough comes a fear: job loss. Millions of people are asking the same question. Will AI take my job? Today, we'll explore how AI is replacing millions of jobs, and why it's also creating an entirely new future of work. AI is replacing. The first jobs AI replaces are repetitive, predictable tasks. Customer support, data entry, basic editing, translation, and simple writing. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't need breaks, and it works 24 hours a day. Companies adopt AI not because humans are bad, but because automation is faster and cheaper. Why companies choose AI? Businesses don't think emotionally, they think efficiently. AI reduces costs, increases speed, and eliminates human error. A single AI system can do the work of 10 employees. That's why automation is spreading across every industry. This shift is unstoppable. Jobs AI cannot replace. But here's what most people get wrong. AI cannot replace everything. Creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and human judgment still matter. Jobs that require empathy, strategy, and imagination will survive. AI replaces tasks, not purpose. New jobs AI is creating. While AI destroys some jobs, it creates entirely new ones. AI trainers, prompt engineers, automation consultants, AI content managers. These jobs didn't exist 5 years ago. The future belongs to people who learn how to work with AI. How AI changes the way we work. Work is no longer about hours, it's about results. AI allows one person to do the work of an entire team. Remote work, automation, and AI tools are redefining productivity. The smartest workers won't compete with AI, they'll control it. The skills you need to survive. The most valuable skills of the future won't be memorization. They'll be adaptability, critical thinking, creativity, AI literacy. People who understand AI will always have opportunities. AI will replace millions of jobs, but it will also create a future filled with new opportunities. The question isn't whether AI will change work, it's whether you'll be ready when it does.